Hello everyone, my name is Khawaja Zafar. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a 3D title with Filmora 12. Create beautiful 3D title in just one click and we can customize Filmora 12 title also, and this is a new feature in Filmora 12. We mentioned that it is the last better version. Let's go to my computer screen. Alright, and this is my example project, and in order to create a 3D title you have two options, and the first option is to select this button, quick text button. OK, just click here and now you will have an option to create quick 3D text. Just click here, it will add a new 3D default text on your timeline. OK, so this is the default one, but go to title. OK, so when you go to title you will see a 3D title right here, and there are many templates you can use for your video. If you like any of them, just double click to download it. OK, just double click to download the template, and then you can choose drag and drop it onto a timeline similar to what you can do with the title, a normal title. OK, so here's the template. Foreign, very beautiful, right? And now if you want to customize this 3D title you can just double click at the 3D title or the timeline. OK, just double click here and you can see here we have the 3D basic 3D animation. So with the 3D basic you can change the text. For example, I can share this text. OK, so I can change this to block or example, and the next thing you can change the forms and the size of the title. OK, so this is the text, this one, and also this is the side. We can make it 80 or stuff like that, and down here you have 3D material preset where you can select different type of 3D title. OK, to select here the 3D title, and then you can scroll down. For example, I can change it to this type. If you like any type here you want to double click at the type to download it and apply to your title. OK, for example this one I can double click and you see that it is downloading and applying to my title. OK, so this is the new type. Very nice, right? And of course now here you have the transform option, but if you want to customize the 3D title in a bigger screen you want to go to advanced right here. OK, just click the advanced and you can see here we can add more 3D title. For example, you can click here to add a quick 2D text or a normal text right here. OK, and you can also add a share. Add an image to this text box, and also you can delete the title. By the way, I'm going to play it here. OK, and on the right side you have some option to customize the 3D title. First thing is the preset. You want to select different preset. You can select it from here also because it is easier, it is bigger screen. OK, and when you go to the customer you can align the text title, and being mentioned that in this customer tab it is a little bit different in comparison with the normal text editor. OK, by the way, you can align it at the center, on the left, on the right, and bottom and top and stuff like that, and you can even click at the title box right here and move it anywhere on your video. OK, for example I can put it right here, and finally it's the animation. You can select the animation for your 3D title, and I think it is very interesting to have this animation for 3D title. OK, you can just double click to apply it to your 3D title. OK, for example this one and this one, zoom, and of course you can adjust the speed of the animation right here with this slider. OK, and let's play it first. Very beautiful, and if you want to reuse this 3D title next time you can just click here, save as custom. OK, and you can just put it a name here, 3D title, the key for example, and then you can click OK, and now you can apply and go back to your timeline. OK, just click here and then you can click OK, and it is the 3D title. Very beautiful, and if you want to review this one all you need to do is to go to title again, and at the custom you will see this one. This is the 3D title of Jackie. This is my 3D title. Alright, so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.